So now we're going to start on meal 4. That's our spaghetti and meat sauce. Everybody, so to make our spaghetti and meat sauce, we're just going to cook off our spaghetti here, oil, salted water, and then we got our ground beef. It's browning over here. I probably don't need to tell any of you how to make spaghetti and meat sauce, but I'm just going to season up this ground beef with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm also going to put in some Italian seasoning in that. So our spaghetti and meat sauce is almost done, so I'm just going to work on the bread here. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of the olive oil around here on the bread. These I'm going to top with some more of the mozzarella cheese. I've also got a little bit of Italian seasoning and a little Parmesan. That'll go in and come out right about the time the spaghetti's ready. Also, you can just whip up another quick salad to go with this meal. All right, so meal 4, spaghetti and meat sauce. To finish this up, we're just gonna lightly coat this with some olive oil. Load up our noodles in there, sprinkle them with a little parsley. We finished up our meat sauce by just simmering it for a while. I topped that with the Parmesan and the Italian seasoning as well. Just dump these right in there. A little sprinkle of that. Some Parmesan cheese if you like. We have our spaghetti, our meat sauce, our salad, and our cheesy bread. Awesome.